It's 100 and what?
7
today. We're working on the garage, so we had to take a break, and we wanted to tell y'all we're still working on the garage.
Yeah, but that's all right. I mean, in this weather.
We'll show you some clips.
Yeah, in this weather, you can't really do a whole lot.
This is real sweat.
This is real sweat. It's not sprayed on water. It's
So,
yeah, my pants are even wet.
yeah.
It's crazy. I don't know if you can see the camera down that far, but
So it's
anyway.
wonderful sound.
So we got to move the yard wagon over into the garage area, and then I have a couple boxes. So we're putting stuff in boxes that's going to be going to the Goodwill, right? Goodwill?
Yeah,
Goodwill.
Goodwill or Salvation Army, which
Whoever wants
open,
it.
whoever's open
Yeah.
when we're ready to
Yeah,
deliver.
whoever gets it. Right.
So far we've installed the air conditioning. And tell them what the air conditioning is, Ed.
So the air conditioner, we installed a split unit. It's a 2.5 ton split unit air conditioner. The compressor and everything is attached to the outside of the house, and then the blower that moves the cool air and removes the hot air, the return, is inside the garage in one box. So everybody pretty much knows what a split unit is, and this was the most economical way for us to be able to cool the new studio and actually get some square footage added to the house, because now it's heated and cooled space. So our next project is we'll have the garage door insulated, and so we have a 16-foot garage door, and it's just regular panels, but they make panels that we just cut to size. It's just a 1-inch foam that goes in the openings in the door and the panels. And then because where we are in South Carolina, we have steel reinforcing across our garage door. We have 8 of these bars that so our door is rated for 150 miles an hour. So I hope we don't ever have to use that, but anyway.
When we order that, that'll be posted on our Amazon page, so you can take a look at it, and we'll be doing a review of that product. We'll be installing that ourselves, and that's going to be quite a project. So you might want to watch it if you want to change your garage into a home studio. That's a great upfit that costs minimal investment.
Right.
Another thing we did is we had the drainage improved.
Diverted, yeah.
Diverted. We had water diverted, so it would not, when we have a heavy rainfall, it was coming into the garage some in one corner, and we wanted to make sure that doesn't happen again. So we did that. And
then we were able to keep our 4-foot by 6-foot stainless steel kitchen racks with 5 shelves on them, and they go down one side of the studio and are down the other, and you won't even see these. They don't even come into play. They take up very little room, but they allow us to keep our Christmas stuff and other things, so that our organizational process is going on right there. So we got one rack that's nothing but painting stuff for the house, and then we have we're going to be getting a outdoor little shed, just like a little building, very small building, like 2 foot by 4 foot by 8 foot tall, to keep the weed eater and leaf blower and things like that in. So I don't know if y'all can see, but we need the leaf blower right now.
we have the garage to clean out. Then we'll be painting the floor, and we've decided to go with a regular concrete paint.
And just put a couple of coats on it and make it look pretty.
And go. The walls in the garage are already painted, so we'll just touch up that paint that's just been done not too long ago.
Yeah, recently.
And clean that real good, and we'll be ready to move our furniture in.
So I guess y'all can see behind us, this is our backyard.
Yeah.
And so we're very fortunate. We live just beyond the fence there, and the mimosa tree that you can see that's blooming. Just beyond that is Greer Swamp and
brown swamp.
And brown swamp. So we live right at the where they both converge together. And so we have in March and April, it's like National Geographic Live in our backyard. It's totally incredible. And then we have, of course, the turtles that come up in the yard, and they back right up to the fence and dig a hole, and they lay their eggs right underneath the fence. And it's kind of hard for the raccoons to get it, but we do lose quite a few turtle eggs to the raccoons. But
They
you know, it's
moved
nature.
across the pond this year. They're on the other side of the pond. I think that the raccoons were getting to them. Something was getting to them.
Yeah.
So they moved to the other side of the pond.
Yeah, we
That's
didn't
where they
have
are
quite as
this
many.
year. But they still come over to swim and bathe and do
Yeah.
all kinds of stuff.
Yeah,
So we're going to be giving updates all the time. If this one turns out, maybe there'll be weekly updates so we can keep you all posted with what the heck
It
we're
could be,
doing.
because the garage is really a mess right now, but
We're going to show it to you anyway.
we're going to show it to you anyway.